Student's Book, page 46. 1. Listen and check the ocean words you hear.
Have you thought of anything for our e-zine this month?
No, nothing.
We've talked about ideas for 3 days, and we still haven't chosen a project.
Let's not talk about that now. Let's enjoy our day at the beach. Is that a whale?
Excuse me, what's happening over there?
They found a dolphin at the beach. The rescue people have been here since 10 o'clock. They think it's lost its mother.
So what have the rescue people done to help it?
Look, they've moved it onto that big cloth like a blanket, and they've put water on it because it shouldn't get dry.
I've never seen a dolphin before. Has it been on the sand for a long time?
Yes, it has. It's been here for about 3 hours.
Has it eaten anything?
No, it hasn't.
But look what the rescue people are doing now. Miss Jones, look! They pulled the dolphin back out to the ocean.
Whew! They've rescued it.
That's good. How exciting!
Yes, now we have something to write about for our e-zine. Ocean life.
Yeah!